Now I'm going to do another video which will help you to find problems that have changed locations. So it's page number, problem number changes from the 4th edition to the 7th edition, but these will be from the 2nd exam rather than the 1st. So the last video was from the 1st exam, this will be the 2nd exam. So these changes will begin with video number 10, and that is from chapter 14. The first video comes from section 1 and 2 of chapter 14 about quality control and P charts. And the problem change here, it was on page 517, number 14.6. Now it's page 14-10, problem 14.6. Same problem number, different page. It was 517, now it's 14-10, and it is problem 14.6. From video 11, we have, this is section 4 of chapter 14, and we're doing X bar and R charts here. And so the problem was on page 506, number 1412, and now it's on page 14-20, number 14.22. So again, page 506, number 1412 is now on page 14-20, number 14.22. The next adjustment or change of location is on video 13, which is from chapter 10, and it comes from sections 1 and section 4 of chapter 10. And the particular problem that I'm looking at here is on page 314, table 10.1, and it's now page 325, table 10.1. Same table number, different page, 314 to 325. And then video 16 is the other change, which is from chapter 11, section 2, which is about chi-square tests for the difference in C proportions. The example, which was found on page 387, is now going to be found on page 396 and 397. Okay, so let me just make those changes again, run over those again. For exam 2, video number 10 was the first change. It had to do with quality control and P charts from sections 1 and 2 of chapter 14, where it says page 217, number 14.6. The correct number should be page 14-10, number 14.6. Video 11, which is chapter 14.4, X bar and R charts, it was page 506, number 1412. Now it's going to be page 1420, number 1422. Video 13, which was from sections 1 and 4 of chapter 10, it was page 314, table 10.1. Now it's going to be page 325, table 10.1. And video 16, which is from section 2 of chapter 11, it was found on page 387. The example from that page is now on pages 396 to 397.